Today's episode is Plotagon Laziness Season 3 Episode 21. Klassic Gayloo wakes up Borish with Airhorn at midnight. /Gounded. Enjoy your Plotagon Laziness video. 11 p.m.
Hi, it's me, Klassic Gayloo. Today is Friday, 11 p.m. Today, what would you do for something? Wait! I know. I think we wake you up, my daddy, with the air horn. Makuzi, she's sleeping at midnight. Oh, I know. I think we're going to anywhere. Let's go. Oh, yeah! My daddy is sleeping right now. Now you can finally wake you up with the air horn right now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Klassic Gayloo, how dares wake me up with the air horn at midnight that ITGOUNDSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSSssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssssss
Washington, 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 Washington,
Thanks for watching of this channel, and don't forget like or subscribe of this channel. I will see you next time. Goodbye.